Why hire a freelancer when AI can do the job for free? These 3 AI tools replace writers, designers, and editors in minutes. Tool 1, Notion. AI. This tool writes full blog posts, email replies, and summaries, all inside your notes. It sounds human, it's fast, and it's scary good at writing. Tool 2, Looka.com. Need a logo? Looka creates beautiful professional logos in under 60 seconds. Just enter your brand name and style, and boom, instant branding. Tool 3, Clipchamp, AI video editor. This Microsoft-powered AI edits your videos automatically. Trim silences, add subtitles, and even auto-zoom your face. Perfect for creators who hate editing. These AI tools do the work of 3 freelancers without charging a single dollar. Follow for more free AI tools that save time and make life easier.